Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a juicy topic for all you political enthusiasts. We're diving into the murky waters of Zimbabwean politics, particularly focusing on the explosive allegations surrounding Oti Chivhayo and his so-called untouchable status. Self-exiled former cabinet minister Walter Mzembi has dropped some serious bombshells recently. According to Mzembi, Oti Chivhayo, a known ZANU-PF sympathizer, is at the heart of a $40 million Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender scam. But here's the kicker: Mzembi claims that Chivhayo won't face any repercussions. Why? Because the system will protect him. Now let's unpack this a bit. Chivhayo's former business partners, Mike Chimambi and Moses Mpofu, have come forward with accusations of fraud. They allege that Chivhayo fraudulently altered their contract with South African companies Renform and Better Brands. This deal was supposed to supply voting material to the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission in the lead-up to the 2023 general elections. But instead of facing the music, Chivhayo is expected to walk away scot-free. Meanwhile, Chimambe and Mpofu, who have turned against him, are supposedly the ones who will suffer. Mzembi's insights paint a grim picture of Zimbabwean politics and the selective justice that seems to prevail. This isn't the first time we've seen such scenarios play out. Political elites often shield their own, while the rest are left to bear the brunt. It's a tale as old as time, but it never ceases to shock. Now, why is this significant? If Mzembi's claims hold water, it highlights deep-seated issues within the political and judicial systems. It raises questions about accountability and the rule of law. Are we seeing a pattern where powerful figures can manipulate the system to their advantage? Mzembi's revelations are not just about Chivhayo. They're about a broader issue of corruption and impunity within the higher echelons of power. It's a stark reminder of the challenges that many nations face when it comes to rooting out corruption. So what happens next? Will these accusations lead to any form of justice? Or will the powerful continue to evade accountability? These are questions that need answers, and as always, it's crucial to stay informed and hold those in power accountable. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into political issues around the globe. Until next time, stay curious and stay critical. Catch you later.